آزادی بیان
言论自由
free speech.
In the big discussion over a number of years in the UN bodies on an offence of defamation of religions, this distinction precisely was blurred. Could you say something about how that discussion developed?
It was blurred on many levels, and it was even what was being protected was religion itself. It wasn't even pointing out that it is the persons belonging to minorities or the persons holding religion or belief that have a role and should be protected in the human rights sphere. It was to protect religion, and that's became hugely problematic and seemed tangential to how we had previously understood human rights.
Just tell us very quickly how that became such a prominent debate, and perhaps you could also chip in how it became such a prominent debate. Who put it onto the agenda so forcefully?
This dates back to 1999, so it's a pre-9/11 issue. It was put forward by the Organization of Islamic Conference, but it had, over the years, so over the 12 years that it was adopted at formerly the UN Commission, Human Rights Commission, subsequently, changed in 2007 to the Human Rights Council. It was supported obviously by other states as well. The voting record is out there. I think many states didn't think through the implications of this. So if you are protecting from a religion from defamation, and you're not sharply defining what you're protecting, why you're protecting it, who are the communities or individuals that are being protected as a result of this resolution, and what are the consequences. It took many years for Western states to realize, first of all, that this may infringe very severely freedom of expression, opinion and expression. But what we should also have, we gradually realized towards the end that this also, first and foremost, it has the word religion there, but it doesn't protect freedom of religion or belief in any way, shape or form as captured in international human rights standards. So if you have the right to adopt, maintain and change religion or belief, which includes the right to reconsider your religion, be indifferent or change it, then fixing it in this way infringes freedom of religion or belief. It may infringe freedom of opinion and expression. It sure does infringe minority rights. And even penalties that were being considered under the defamation resolution were not pointed out. So as one special rapporteur said a number of years ago, are we talking about the automatic resort to the death penalty? That might seem a bit fantastical, but nevertheless, if you're going to have a protection for defaming religion, we should know exactly what we're talking about and what penalties we're considering. Is it automatically in the criminal sphere, or what about due process for those that have been accused of defamation of religion? These have very real implications.